right, she's dead cold. And we're gonna start her up here. This bike is dead accurate to the poster for the movie and for some of the screenshots of the movie. Yes, that white stripe was missing. And yes, there were no decals down on the front cowl here. You'll see those on some of the Peep guys have put more on of the decals, but that's not how they were. So here's not a perfect cold start, but pretty much a cold start of this girl. This is a brand new bike. This has been completely done. And including Wise Coforce pistons, all redone brand new tires. Right here. It is certainly one of a kind, that's for sure. But I got quite a few